How to treat genital herpes. Naturally, genital herpes is very common. In those 12 and older, there are about 45 million cases in the U.S. According to the U.S. Center for Disease Control (CDC), about 1 out of every 6 people between the ages of 14 to 49 years has genital herpes (HSV). Fortunately, there are some natural ways to treat the symptoms. Treating HSV symptoms naturally. Use a cold compress. Ice packs placed on your sores can help decrease the pain. Cover the ice pack with a towel to ensure that it doesn't get too cold. Place the ice pack over the area with the sores. Make sure you use a fresh towel every time and wash the used towel in hot water. If the ice pack doesn't help, some people get more relief with hot-warm compresses. Use boiled water that has cooled to a warm-hot temperature. Soak a clean towel in the water and wring out excess water, applying to the painful area. Use a clean towel or washcloth to repeat. Take a warm bath. You can help ease the soreness and discomfort of your sores with a warm bath. The heated water will relieve the irritated skin and help clean them as well. You can also add Epsom salt to your bath. This helps relieve the itchiness and heal the sore. It also helps the sore stay drier once you get out of the bath. Use baking soda. If your sores are oozing, you can use baking soda to help dry them up. It also helps relieve the itching and pain. Take a cotton ball and wet it. Dip the cotton ball into some baking soda. Dab the cotton ball around your sores, coating them in baking soda. Repeat with a different cotton ball each time to avoid contaminating the baking soda. Don't use cornstarch. Bacteria love to breed with cornstarch and can cause you to get an infection, especially if you have open sores. Make an oil and lavender salve. Olive oil not only is great for your skin, it has antioxidants that will help heal your sores. Take 1 cup of olive oil and heat it in a pot with a tablespoon of lavender oil and beeswax on medium heat. Once it starts to bubble a little, remove it from heat. Once it cools down, use a cotton ball to apply to your sores. Use a different cotton ball each time you repeat until all your sores are covered. Don't let the mixture heat too long. Olive oil will burn. Use propolis. Propolis is a waxy resin made by bees that has antiviral properties and appears to accelerate healing of sores. You can use ointments or salves that contain propolis to soothe and help heal the sores. You can buy these products at health food stores and drugstores. Propolis comes in capsule and tinctures, but make sure you only use the ointments. Try herbs. There are many different herbs that can help treat your HSV sores. Lemon balm ointments can relieve the pain, itching, or discomfort of your sores. A combination of sage and Chinese rhubarb in a skin cream has been shown to be as effective as acyclovir at healing HSV infections of the female vaginal sores. St. John's wort for your skin as a traditional herb can inhibit HSV replication. Eat seaweed. Seaweed has been shown to have healing properties for the symptoms of HSV. Different varieties of seaweed such as red seaweeds from South America, sea moss, and a red seaweed from India can inhibit HSV infections. These seaweeds can be used as medical food by adding it to salads or stews. They can be found as supplements. Take echinacea. Echinacea can be used to support the immune system. It also may help in reducing the severity of outbreaks. Try getting tea with it in it. Drink 3 to 4 cups of echinacea tea a day. You can also get echinacea as a supplement. Take supplements. There is some research indicating that certain supplements can help. For example, 1 to 3 grams of lysine per day may shorten the length of an outbreak. Some studies have indicated that it may be effective in reducing the number of outbreaks of oral herpes sores. However, the supplement should be taken for only about 3 to 4 weeks at most. Be aware that lysine is an amino acid that may increase cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Make sure you are consulting your doctor before using supplements. Some supplements can interact with certain medications. Take antiviral medication. There is no cure for HSV infections. The virus is likely to be with you forever. Although not a natural treatment, some cases of genital herpes are severe. These symptoms can be treated with antiviral medicines. These can reduce the pain, discomfort, and the frequency of the outbreaks. These medications may reduce the risk of infecting another person, but they don't eliminate the risk. Common antiviral medicines to treat HSV include acyclovir Zevirax, famciclovir Famvir, and valacyclovir Valtrex. These medications are given generally for the first outbreak and help control subsequent outbreaks. For example, an 800 mg pill of acyclovir is taken 5 times a day for 7 to 10 days. The most common side effects with these medications are nausea and vomiting, diarrhea, headache, fatigue, dizziness, and muscle aches.
If you heard there's no cure for herpes, you are right. Medical doctors are telling people there's no cure for herpes. There's no drug that will kill the herpes virus. Just like there's no drug to kill chickenpox virus. The herpes virus shares the same DNA as the chickenpox virus. How do we get over chickenpox? We let our immune system fight the chickenpox virus. It takes a few weeks, but eventually we get through it. Subscribe to my channel, get the latest information on how to stay healthy. So why can't our immune system fight the virus? The herpes virus goes into the blood like the chickenpox virus. Our immune system activates and destroys the herpes virus in the blood. But some herpes virus hides in the nerves. Our immune system can't find the herpes virus in the nerves. There's no pill that will kill the herpes virus hiding in the nerves. If the herpes virus stays in the blood, then you have a chance of getting rid of it. Just like gonorrhea and syphilis. A round of antibiotics and you're cured. So what do? You can agree with the medical doctor and learn to live with it. You can disagree with the medical doctor and find a cure. I have cured thousands of people with my Chinese medicine program. Chinese medicine program has proven to work to get rid of the herpes virus. Yes, this program has been proven by medical tests. The herpes virus has been eliminated. I'm going to share with you how other people have cured their herpes. They started with the right diet. What diet was part of the herpes cure? Was it keto? Was it intermittent fasting? Was it paleo? Was it Whole30? Was it vegan? The herpes virus hides in the nerve. It latches on like a mosquito. So the herpes virus bites the nerve. The bite mark irritates the nerve and causes inflammation. That causes the burning, itching, tingling, and redness. So the bite mark is the key. The diet is necessary because it's either going to help or stop the process. Under the right conditions, the herpes virus can be taken out. This leaves the bite marks. If the bite marks heal fast, then your next blood test will test herpes negative. If the bite marks don't finish healing, then your next blood test will test herpes positive. How do you know if the herpes virus is eliminated and only the bite marks are left? You'll see on your second blood test the antibody levels have dropped to half. This is why it's important to get the first blood test before you finish the Chinese medicine program. Make sure you're going to use the same lab to do the test. Each lab has a different machine, so the numbers will be different. As long as the second blood test results as half, then you know the virus is gone. The right diet makes sure the herpes virus is gone. Don't eat any wheat while you're on the herpes cleanse. No pasta, spaghetti, or lasagna. No donuts, muffins, or bread. No cakes, croissants, or brownies. Wheat creates inflammation, which stops the immune system from fighting the herpes virus. Don't eat any fruit while you're on the herpes cleanse. No berries, cherries, or mangoes. No dry fruit like raisins, pineapples, or apricots. No grapes, grapefruit, or oranges. No apple or orange juice. No fruit juices. Don't add sugar to anything. No sugar in your coffee or tea. No honey, manuka, or organic. No brown sugar, even if it's organic. No fake sugar. You can use stevia as a sweetener. Don't drink any alcohol. No beers, wine coolers, or cocktails. No wine, whiskey, rum, or rye. No red or white wine. This diet supports your immune system during the herpes virus detox. Your immune system has to find the virus hiding in the nerve, so don't eat anything that's going to distract it. Otherwise, you're going to be wasting your energy and time. Those who have stayed on the diet have cured herpes. Their second blood test showed no herpes antibodies. This means the herpes virus have been eliminated. The bite marks have also healed. They're cured. This means they can go on with their life again. They can get the herpes virus again. If you get the herpes virus again, then we start the whole process all over again. Get started on your journey to being herpes free. Get the 6-week circulation program on my website, mytmagic.com. When you're all done with the herpes detox program, you're going to have a brand new life again.